In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. Sometimes you just need a break, and Snapchat makes that possible, but there's a small trick to it. The deactivation option only exists on the website, not inside the app. So start by opening your preferred web browser and going to accounts.snapchat.com. Any modern desktop or mobile browser will work. Sign in with your Snapchat username or email and your password. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you may be asked to verify with a code before continuing. That's expected and helps keep your account secure. After you're in, you'll land on a simple account management page. Look for Manage My Account and select it. On the next screen, choose Delete My Account. This label can be confusing, but it's the correct path. Selecting it immediately places your account into a 30-day deactivation period. Think of it as putting your account on pause rather than erasing it right away. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm by entering your login details again. Retype your username and password to proceed. This double check prevents accidental deactivations. Once you confirm, your account is deactivated. For the next 30 days, your account will be inactive, your friends won't be able to contact you, and your profile will be hidden from search and friend lists. You also won't be able to send or receive snaps or chats during this time, and active streaks will stop. If you change your mind within those 30 days, simply log back in on the app or the website and follow the prompts to reactivate. It may take a short while for everything to fully restore. If you don't log in again during that window, Snapchat will proceed toward permanent deletion after the deactivation period, and recovery won't be possible, so consider setting a reminder if you're undecided. A couple of quick tips as you finish up: use a secure connection and a private device whenever possible, and if you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out once you're done. While your account is paused, people won't see you on Snapchat, which is exactly what you want when taking a break. During the deactivation period, you won't receive notifications, and anyone who tries to message you will see that you're unavailable. When you come back, you'll need the same login details, so keep them handy and make sure you can access your verification method. That's it. You've temporarily deactivated